Benvolguts berquinautes, benvinguts a aquest nou capítol del Loom. Estem aquí en una terra així una mica fogosa, o que sembla que el sol il·lumini d'aquesta manera, i hi ha una persona aquí dormint. Anem a veure què és el que ocorreix aquí. Mira, aviam què és això. No m'ha despertat aquest nano. Sembla que està dormint. Doncs anem a despertar-lo. Anem a despertar-lo. Ara que podem. La teva música m'ha despertat. Ho sento. No passa res, són Rusty Nightbender. Soc Bobbin Weavers. Jo soc dels ferrers. La ferreria. La forja. Què és el que fas aquí? Estic buscant signes. No hi ha... després de parlar tant, tinc son. Surt un plaer. Avisa'm si trobes els signes. Anem a fer-ho del reflex, aquí. F. No que ens hem intercanviat el cos. Anem a despertar-lo ara. Despertar. E-F-A. Bon truc, petit. Que suau aquest. Només pensar-hi, tinc ganes de dormir. Ui.
Hello, young nailbender.
Hola, petit nailbender.
About time you were coming home. Stoke's
Ja
been
estem
looking
per
for you,
tornar a
and he ain't real happy.
No estarà gaire content.
You better get in there right now.
Vinga, passa. Ja pots passar. Aquí una forja. Els forjers. Anem cap allà. Anem a continuar la nostra aventura. Ara continuem per aquí. Ja t'he enviat fa 4 hores per buscar fusta i només em portes un. Penso que estigui a baix amb el senyor Bishop.
I'm sorry, I had a bit of trouble.
Perhaps
you
you
might
might
offer
offer your confessions to the bishop in person. I'll be happy to arrange it.
Si
Now
vols
give
puc
me a
arreglar
stick.
això. Ara.
I'm done dealing with the likes of you, Nailbender. I'll be back, and you'd better hope the furnace
So
doesn't
nice.
go out.
Mira, no tinc el meu bastó màgic. No l'has trobat així. Anem a dormir. La palla és confortable. Anem a dormir.
It must have a sleep draft woven into it.
Imagine
frightening a poor defenseless old thing like me. Poor. Well, I may not be much good with fire, love,
No
but I
vols jugar
still
amb foc.
enjoy the taste of tender, firm young meat.
Petita casa. Ah,
One blasted stick of wood left. Curse that lad.
no és un...
10,000 swords to
Ten
forge.
10.000 espases en la fosa i només un bastó per foc.
I don't believe this.
No puc...
Nice of that weaver kid. Just wait
Aquest
until
noi...
his turn comes. I'll be waiting for him on the outside.
Vaig a parar a l'altra banda. Ui, la Herschel.
Oh dear, that
Well-
means trouble.
Oh, està en problema.
Atropos saw his
Si els savis estiguessin aquí veient com...
You could be sure of that. Careful now, old bird. Let's not singe the feathers.
Vaig en compte, vell ocellet. Ui, ui. Ens passa el gato per sota. Que bien. No ha convertit la palla, no?
Time for another nap. I've got to get out of here.
No són mala gent, només que estan sent enganyats per aquest Bishop. Sí, Bishop, compreneu bé que és l'antagonista d'aquesta història. I el caos.
It's locked.
Anem a obrir. Anem a omplir. Que tinguin...
Not a stick left.
Molt per culpa nostra el nostre nou amic. Per tant, anem a omplir-ho. Ja. Anem a baixar per aquí. Diu que el Bishop està per aquí baix. Aquell que ens ha tancat. El Bishop. No hem d'escoltar-lo.
The final blade is even now in the hands of our
La
most
etapa final ja
skilled
està
blade
per...
shaper, Your Excellency.
Excel·lent.
How's it coming there, Edgewise?
Et diré com està això.
Putting the edge on the last sword, sir.
Estic acabant de polir la darrera
No
espada.
sagging off now. Let's get it finished.
Acabo ja.
Share with me a historic moment, Corman. The forging of the 10,000th sword marks the end
És
of
el final dels
operations.
meus preparatius.
How much longer must I
Quant de
wait?
temps tindré que esperar?
Still running out its final defeat, sir. Not much
No
more
massa
to go
temps.
now. Very good then. Carry on.
Ah. Això és espanto. Amb EFE.
Edgewise, is that
Encara no hi és.
not ready
Està...
yet?
L'excel·lència està esperant encara. Està esperant. El metal és fort, senyor.
More sweat will soften it, I trust. It will be a blade to be reckoned with.
The blade of reckoning.
L'espasa de...
It does have a
del
certain
judici final.
apocalyptic ring to it. I
Se m'ha
trust I
comprat.
will not be kept waiting much longer.
Good metal rewards
El bon metall requereix paciència.
and our client rewards quick service. Now,
I el nostre
pound!
client requereix un bon servís. Un bon servís. Servei. Anem a espantar. Com es feia per espantar? Espantar.
It's too noisy.
I si intentem liar-la amb aquesta espada...
The final blade is even now in the hands of our most skilled blade shaper, Your Excellency.
El millor
How's
professor.
it coming there, Edgewise?
I'm just putting the edge on the lost sword, sir.
Good to hear it. No sacking off now. Let's get it finished.
Vinga,
Shall
podem
be a
acabar.
historic moment, Foreman. The forging
Demà
of the 10,000th
posarà
sword marks the end of our preparations. How much longer must I wait?
Quant
The
de temps
steel
després?
will ring out its final defeat, sir. Not much longer now.
Very good then. Carry on.
Vinga, espavila. Potser ara
It's
podem...
about time he stopped. That hammering was making my head hurt. It might help to point at something first.
No, no pot sentir la conversació.
Edgewise, is that blade not ready yet? His Excellency is still waiting.
The metal is proud, sir. It does not yield easily to my blows.
More sweat will soften it, I trust.
It will be a blade to be reckoned with.
The Blade of Reckoning. It does have a certain apocalyptic ring to it. I trust I will not be kept waiting much longer.
Good metal rewards patience.
Exaltació primera.
And our client rewards quick
I el
service.
nostre client
Pound!
recompensa un servei ràpid. Anem a provar. Espasa.
It's about time he stopped. Didn't work.
No. Ai, ai. Anem a veure si aconseguim alguna cosa. A veure, per què no?
The final blade is even now
Ah,
in
aquí
the hands of our
repeteixen.
most skilled blade shaper,
Això està
Your
patat.
Excellency. How's it coming there, Edgewise?
Quan falta,
Just
Edgeworth?
putting the edge on the lost sword, sir.
Good to hear it. No sacking off now. Let's get it finished.
You share with me a historic moment, Foreman. The forging of the 10,000th
Un moment històric,
sword
Cursaró.
marks the end of our preparations.
La forja de 10.000.
How much
Quant
longer must
temps
I
haig d'esperar?
wait?
The steel will ring out its final defeat, sir. Not much longer now.
Very good then. Carry on.
Espavila. Aviam, aquí passa alguna cosa. Ai, ai.
What?
Quina maldat és aquesta?
This? A witch's curse has twisted the final blade.
A curse, Edgewise?
Mm,
I think
mm, mm.
not. It would take more than a mere witch's curse to ruin my
Cal alguna cosa
plans.
més que un bruixot per...
You there!
per... Tu,
Could it be that this little prank is of your doing? Yes? Well then,
seràs
I would be
convidat a la
honored
nostra
to have
catedral.
you as my guest at the cathedral. I know some other
Anem a tots
curses that may
aquests trucs per
amuse you.
divertir-me. Aquests... Això és la catedral.
I'm getting really tired of this.
Sí que ens és...
Allow me to introduce myself.
Vaig entrar... No es pixen en Divel. Els ens últim apòstol, o l'antes conclave dels...
I know.
Ho sé.
Am I expected to kneel?
Silence, you impudent punk.
Gran
This
simple.
is my
Com
assistant,
ajudant.
Cobb.
Cop.
Charmed, I'm sure.
And you require no introduction. Your cloak and staff betray your origins. But I must say I'm surprised to find
Estic
you
curiós,
here.
sorprès de veure't aquí.
Quite a long time since any weaver bothered to leave that dreary little rock.
Pensava que mai la vostra gent sortien de llum.
So,
Molt provincial.
I can't help but wonder what impelled you to leave it now.
Però no puc ajudar-te...
His Excellency asked you a question.
I know.
Que
I'm
ho
ignoring it.
ignoro.
Ah,
Recalcitrant, ho veig.
I see.
Shall I fetch the instruments of
Porto
persuasion,
els
Master?
instruments de
Please
persuasió.
forgive my assistant.
Oblida el meu ajudant.
I think Cobb is not very
No entenc
well
el
fed. He does not
perillós que pot
understand
ser un
the
teixidor.
dangerous power of a weaver.
Dangerous?
Perillós,
Reverence
senyor.
him?
Ei,
Quite dangerous indeed, my dear Cobb. In fact, he could burst this flimsy iron cage open with hardly a second thought.
That's impossible, most exalted
Well,
one.
what do we
I
have to-
inspect the
okay.
locks personally every fortnight.
Observe and learn,
Observa
then,
i
for
plan.
even now your prisoner plans his escape.
el teu prisioner planeja l'escapar.